Ever wondered why yawning is so contagious? Well, it turns out that seeing someone yawn triggers a subconscious response in our brain that makes us yawn too. This phenomenon is known as contagious yawning and is actually linked to empathy. Scientists believe that the ability to yawn when others yawn shows our capacity for empathy and social bonding. So next time you catch yourself yawning after someone else, remember it's just your brain's way of connecting with those around you. What do you think? Leave it in the comments and subscribe.